Hey guys, Brian here. Welcome back to the shop. It's time to finish up this cylinder head finally. So I will tell you, I didn't film it, but I had to get the grinder stones out and touch up 3 seats in this head because they were cocked with the valve guides and I couldn't get the valves to seat in all the way around when I was lapping them. So I wound up just going in and touching them up to get full contact and then rechecking all the margins on everything and got it all within spec. So this thing's ready to put together finally. So not a lot to doing that, just get everything cleaned up nice, and what I like to do is to start on one end, pull oil on the valve where it goes up in the guide. Little pre-assembly lube. Let's go ahead and do all them. I get one each valve spring, a retainer, that's one. It's another one. Two to go. Didn't even take my fingertips off. Yeah, both bags are empty, so that's a pretty good sign. That's that. These are all hardened tips, so. I'm gonna like give them some tap to taps, be sure they're seated. Well, I hope you enjoyed getting to see me put this head together. What was involved with that, doing a multi-spring head. If you got the right tools, it's not really difficult to do. And you do need to kind of check everything, because a lot of this workmanship in this head before I got to it was no good. And the guides were too tight. Several of the seats were not cut concentric to the valves, and who knows what else could have been wrong with it. But those things alone would have been issues. But now all of that's good, so they can go pulling here in a couple of weeks. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, I'll catch y'all later. Bailey coming to approve. It's a fine looking beast right there. Almost as fine as that looking beast right there. That's not true. I'm more partial to Bailey.